I know, homeschooling can be very scary, but it can be less daunting and it can actually be encouraging when curriculums like Evan-Moor provide you with all you need to educate your child. And if you have a child that is reluctant to anything that seems like extensive work, Evan-Moor's got you. The moment that I introduced my son to Evan-Moor workbooks, it was game over. He would always ask me, Mom, are we doing Evan-Moor? Are we doing Evan-Moor? He wanted to stay away from the other workbooks. And he's like, okay, I'll do Evan-Moor only. It's safe to say that Evan-Moor workbooks have been one of the few curriculums and series of workbooks that my son has responded to positively with less resistance. So that's a plus. Check out the description for the homeschooling curriculum bundles according to grade. What can you expect when you use Evan-Moor? Each curriculum bundle brings all the workbooks you need across all subject areas, such as reading, writing, language arts, spelling, vocabulary, math, science, social studies, and more. From reading comprehension lessons, reading skills and strategies, to creative writing activities, language fundamentals, inquiry-based science activities, and more. What can Evan-Moor do for you and your homeschooler? Well, number one, it simplifies homeschool. It's a complete homeschool curriculum to help you teach your child at home with ease. It includes a pacing guide. This guide includes tips and suggestions to enhance the homeschooling experience and help you as a parent navigate across all the subject matters seamlessly. As homeschool moms, especially when we're starting out this whole homeschooling thing, we fear not teaching our kids the right thing, and we have a lot of doubts. Are we doing the right thing? Are we buying the right curriculum? We want to do right by our children, right? So as I was going through those back and forth and those doubts, I started doing a lot of research on what types of curriculum would be very easy, simple, to the point, and didn't have all this information that would become very overwhelming for my child and for me. So I found Evan-Moor. And I learned that it's a research-based curriculum, which means it has 40 years plus worth of research behind it, so you can count on quality. I started noticing that my son would recall certain specific things about lessons that we did with the Evan-Moor workbooks. And then I later realized, after doing research and reading books on how children learn, I discovered that the reason why is because Evan-Moor, the content is provided in bite-sized. So it's easier for a child to digest, thus making it easier for them to actually remember and recall what they learned. That being said, check out more information about the Evan-Moor homeschool curriculum bundles down below on the description. Choose the grade level according to your child's grade. And I will see you on the next video.